Have you ever noticed how you can scroll on your phone for hours without even realizing it? But when you sit down to study, even 5 minutes feels like torture? Your brain isn't broken. You don't lack discipline. The truth is, your brain has been tricked into craving distractions instead of studying. But here's the good news. You can flip that switch. Today, I'll show you exactly how to trick your brain into craving studying, using psychology and a few simple hacks. See, your brain runs on dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel rewarded. Every notification, every new TikTok or YouTube short you watch gives your brain a quick dopamine hit. That's why scrolling feels effortless, and studying feels like climbing a mountain. The secret isn't to fight your brain, it's to reprogram it. You can literally train your brain to crave studying the same way it craves your phone. Step 1. Start ridiculously small. Don't tell yourself you'll study for an hour. Your brain will rebel. Just start with 5 minutes. 1 page, 1 exercise, that's it. Now, here's the trick. Immediately reward yourself afterwards. Watch a funny clip, grab a snack, listen to a song you love. When you repeat this, your brain begins to associate studying with reward. Over time, studying becomes addictive in the best way possible. Step 2. Gamify it. Your brain loves games, challenges, and points. So, make studying one. For example, 1 chapter equals 10 points. 1 exercise equals 2 points. 50 points equals a bigger reward. A movie, hanging out with friends, or your favorite meal. When studying feels like a game you can win, your brain chases it, just like it chases likes and notifications. Step 3. Make the starting process fun. The hardest part isn't studying, it's starting. So set up a cozy study corner. Use colorful pens, highlighters, or background music. Pair studying with something you enjoy, like drinking your favorite tea, but only when you're studying. This way, your brain starts linking that pleasure with learning. At first, it'll feel strange. Your brain will still crave your phone and quick distractions. But if you stick with these systems, something amazing happens. One day, instead of thinking, ugh, I have to study, you'll catch yourself thinking, just 1 more page, 1 more exercise. The same way you once lost hours scrolling, you'll start losing hours learning. Remember, this isn't about forcing yourself with willpower. Willpower is weak, systems are strong. So start small, reward yourself, gamify the process, and make it fun. That's how you trick your brain into craving studying. Because the moment your brain wants it, studying stops feeling like a burden and starts feeling like your favorite app. If this video helped you, give it a like so more people can find it too. And if you want more psychology hacks, study tips, and motivation, make sure to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss a new video.